Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to generate an image using Meta AI tool. Here you can go and type Meta AI. So this AI platform is developed by Facebook Honor AI. Now you need to create a free account. I have created that. Now you can select one of the option, create image, create video. Let me select this one. For example, let me type create an image for flying taxi. Aspect ratio should be 16:9. Then press enter. Here you can see it has started working on it within couple of seconds. So these are the 4 different images. You can select one of the image. You can also keep these 4 images. Just you need to press this button. Here you can see images saved into laptop. Now we can expand it. This one is full HD and copyright free image. You can use it anywhere. After that you can animate any of the image from here. For example, let me expand it. So these are the different effects that you can apply. After that, here you can see now image is animated, so that looks perfect. After that you can add the music. After that click this button, download button. So now image is converted into the video format. That looks perfect.